Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing my Ipsy bag today. This is the standard bag, the first one out of the three that you can choose from. This is only $12. So if you want an affordable makeup subscription box or bag, this would be the more cheaper approach. That way you can fill out if you like things like these, and if you feel like you enjoy the subscription. They also have a $25 one and they have a $50 one. Alright, so before I unbag this, I just want to take the time to introduce myself. Hello, hi, my name's Aisha. I love all things beauty related. With that being said, I love doing makeup subscription boxes because I get to try all different types of beauty products. I also love mystery boxes, and I do lots of makeup hauls on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, then I say, hey, why not? Become a part of my YouTube family. Alright, so let's see what you all came here for, to see what I got in my Ipsy bag. Alright, so the $12 one doesn't come in the box. That's the only one that doesn't come in the box. It comes in a little bag like this. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, there was a brush in here. Hold on, be right back. It fell on the floor. Okay, so the first thing I got is this brush right here. I've actually received this brush before from Ipsy, so yet again, for the month of July, I got another duplicate item. I got a duplicate brush set in my Ipsy Ultimate, and now I have a duplicate brush again. So I don't know if they're not keeping track of what they're giving people, but I did receive this brush before. It's pretty, so I'm not mad at it. Oh, this is cool. This is a SL Miss Glam. I want to say that's a YouTuber on YouTube. So this must be a collaboration with her. And then, oh, she did say she was coming out with brushes. So this must be her brush. It's pretty, but I definitely received this before. Or a brush very similar to this. I have so many brushes, I don't know what's what. But this looks almost identical to a brush that I received from Ipsy. Alright, so this is the bag that you get for the $12 price. And I actually kept the other bags that I got. This is what I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is what I got from my Ipsy Ultimate. So these are what the three bags look like. So this is what I was just saying, like if you're subscribed to all three, every single month you get 3 bags. So if you're subscribed for the year, like you have like 1 million makeup bags, which I always said that like maybe they should do makeup bags like maybe every other month, or have the option, do you want the makeup bags or not? Because like 3 makeup bags every single month, like nobody in a year buys that many makeup bags. I think people probably buy like a makeup bag a year, or maybe 2 or 3 for the whole year, but not like that much. So I normally just take my makeup bags and I put them aside, and when I do my giveaways, which my next giveaway is when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 300, so I don't know if by the time I post this video, I will be at 300. I probably will, because I think I'm like 4 subscribers away from getting to 300, which is a great milestone for me. Thank you guys so much. I've only been on YouTube for 4 months, and I think I'm progressing well. So I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who are watching this video now that is subscribed to me. I just want to let you guys know that I really do appreciate, you know, everyone. When I first started my YouTube, I was just like, is anybody even gonna want to watch my videos? Like, are they even gonna care? And I'm getting people who actually care, who really enjoy my videos. They tell me they enjoy my videos. They tell me they like me. So it makes me feel good. I'm happy that I finally had the coverage to finally start my channel. And I'm glad you guys are all enjoying my content. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you're watching me right now, I would definitely say subscribe. I promise I won't let you guys down with some good old content with lovely makeup subscription boxes. Alright, so let's see what's inside here beside that brush. So I like the color pink. You guys know my favorite color is pink, but it's just like, I just don't like. And these bags have a smell to them. It smells like you know, like maybe like if you were a kid and you got a doll and that rubbery smell to it. It just has like that rubbery, like new smell. Like if you get a brand new doll, it has like that rubbery smell to it. That's what it smells like. Oh, I just noticed the little things on the bags. They're like little airplanes. Not that I'm going to be using these bags, but I just thought it was cute that do you see the little planes on them? They all have like little planes. Very cute, very cute. All right. So it's still the same. All the cards are the same for the most part. No prices or anything like that. So we won't go over that. All right, so the first thing I got in here that I love. So the first thing I just want to say I do love. I love this brush. Second thing in this bag I love the Hemp's body lotions. I honestly never tried anything from Hemp's before prior to Ipsy. And now I want to say I have like 3 of their fragrances as far as their body lotions, 3 different fragrance scents. So I don't think I have citrine, crystal, and quartz. Does this have a seal on it? It doesn't. Oh, this smells good. I love sweet scents. Like I love, and a lot of this stuff for sweet scents. So I'm going to enjoy this. This is great. I'm very happy to receive this. Love this. And this looks a little bigger than the size that I got before. It looks like it has like gold flecks in here. It says citrine and crystal quartz. So maybe it has like the quartz in it. But this is what the bottle looks like. All right, so the next thing I got was my choice. So in my Ipsy, was it my ultimate? Nevertheless, one of my Ipsy boxes that I got for this month, I got the hydrating primer. And now I got the hydrating primer, hydrating lip oil. I thought it would have been bigger than this. I don't know if this is a travel size or this is the size that it comes in. But I can put a little of this on because I don't have anything too crazy on my lips. So let's put a little of this on. Ooh, juicy. Juicy, juicy. I like it. Very nice. I always put so much on that it leaves like that tacky thing, but a little trick that you guys can do if you ever have like too much gloss on or you don't want your lipstick to transfer on your teeth, you're supposed to take your finger and go like, I'm not going to do it again, but you put it in your mouth but probably not a good to do now due to everything going around now. But I mean, I'm at home and I washed my hands just literally like right before I filmed, so I know my hands are clean. So don't do that if your hands aren't clean. But I love it. My lips look nice and juicy. Perfect. All right, so far 3 for 3. Honestly, I have to say, Ipsy was my first makeup subscription that I ever did. I think they were like the first to start this anyway. But I always had like this. I think back in the day it used to be $10 and now it's $12. But this is my first ever makeup subscription bag. Because obviously it's not a box. Sometimes I call this makeup subscription box, but it's a bag. It comes in a bag, so makeup subscription bag. And I love this from day one. Like, I don't know about you guys, but lately I love the $12 one because you really get your bang for your buck. For $12, look what I got already so far. So if you really want your bang for the $50 one, I always like some things in it, but I feel like it's just like, it's too much for me not liking like a lot of the stuff. And this one, I feel like I like everything. So the next thing I got in here is, I got one of these already in Ipsy too. They keep giving these. This and BoxyCharm, they keep giving the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner. This is in Trooper Black. I have like 4 of these now. But I like it. You can never go wrong with some liquid liner, so I'm not complaining. So far, I love everything. The next thing I got is an eyeshadow by Space Case Cosmetics. I've never heard of Space K Cosmetics before. So it's probably an indie brand. Let's see what it looks like. So the name is called Space Food. I don't like this color. So this is what it looks like. It's like a neutral brown. To be honest, this is not really like my type of color. So I'm going to save it for like a giveaway just so that someone can use it so I don't have it at home and not use it. The good thing I like about having this channel is, let's say that you're just a regular, regular person who has makeup subscription boxes, but like you don't have a channel. Like if you feel bad for having something you're not going to use it, you don't want it to go to waste, you can always give it to a family member or friends. But I'm just happy that I have this lovely YouTube channel that I can always give back to my supporters. So but I like to like accumulate like a nice size of stuff so that way I can give like a nice decent amount of stuff back to my lovely subscribers. So this is going to go on a giveaway. So I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4 things out of my $12 bag. Like, this value is amazing. It's and honestly, was it cheaper? Because I want to say if you pay for the whole year, they gave me the Huda Beauty, I got the Emerald eyeshadow palette. Every single couple of months they give a different promotion, but I got lucky that they were giving a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, the emerald one, the green one. I got that for subscribing for a whole year. So I think that was the incentive. So I'm still paying the same price as everyone else. But this is, look at all this stuff that I got for $12. A makeup bag, an eyeshadow brush, a lip gloss, a liquid liner, and a Hemp's body moisturizer. That is, honestly, I think that's an amazing deal. Honestly, you can't beat that with a stick. You really can't. So, love this. This was my favorite out of all 3 this month, and this was the cheapest one. How ironic. But this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and seeing what I got in my bag. Please stay tuned for some more unboxings. And thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you guys all